In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gradient background colors in TradingView. If you want your charts to look cleaner, emphasize price action, or simply match your workspace theme, a gradient background is a quick visual upgrade that takes just a moment to set up. Move your cursor over your chart area, right-click to open the context menu, and select Settings. In the window that opens, head to the Canvas section. Canvas controls what's behind your price bars, your grid lines, and any drawings, so this is where background changes are made. Inside Canvas, find the Background option. It's a drop-down that typically defaults to solid. Click that drop-down and change it to Gradient. A gradient blends two colors across the chart, giving you a smooth transition instead of a single flat color. This not only looks polished, it can reduce eye strain and subtly separate the main price area from your indicators without adding visual noise. With gradient selected, you'll see color pickers for the two ends of the gradient. Click the first color and choose the tone you want at the top of your chart. Then pick the second color to define the bottom. For a subtle, professional result, keep both colors within the same hue family, with one slightly darker than the other. If your theme is dark, try deep, muted tones so candles and labels remain readable. Most color pickers also include an opacity slider. Dialing the opacity down a bit helps keep the background from overpowering candles, grid lines, and text. You want the chart content to stand out, with the gradient adding depth in the background. As you make selections, changes apply immediately so you can judge the result in real time. If something doesn't look right, just tweak the colors until you like the balance. Don't worry about making a mistake. Because you're seeing the update live, you can adjust quickly until the chart feels comfortable and clear. And if you decide the gradient isn't for you, simply switch the background drop-down back to solid in the same place. You can always revisit Canvas later to refine your choices as your layout or indicators evolve. That's all there is to it. Right-click the chart, open Settings, go to Canvas, change background to gradient, and pick the two colors that fit your style. A thoughtful gradient can enhance focus, reduce fatigue during long sessions, and give your TradingView workspace a clean, customized look. Try a few combinations, keep readability front and center, and enjoy your upgraded chart.